We'll guide you through how to mask in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. When the application launches, click Login with Browser so you can access your account. You will automatically be redirected to your browser to complete the login process. On the login page, choose the login method you want to use. For example, continue with Google. Select the account you use to sign into Figma so the system can verify your identity. After the authentication process is completed, click Open the desktop app to return to the Figma application. You will automatically be redirected back to the Figma desktop application once the login is successful. Next, open the Figma file where you want to apply the mask so you can begin editing the design. Locate the shape tools in the toolbar at the top of the interface and click the drop-down icon to view the available shapes. Choose the shape you want to use as a mask, for example, ellipse. After selecting the ellipse tool, click and drag on the canvas while holding the Shift key to create a perfect circle with equal proportions. This circle will be used as the masking shape. After creating the shape, you need to place the image that will be masked. Select the main menu icon located in the top left corner of the interface. Click File from the drop-down menu to open the file options. From the list, select Place Image so you can import an image into the canvas. A file browser window will appear on your screen. Choose the image you want to use and click Open to import it into your design. Once the image appears on the canvas, click and drag to place the image in the desired location. Now you will combine the image with the circle shape to create the mask effect. Select the image first, then hold the Shift key and select the ellipse shape so both objects are selected at the same time. Right-click on the selected objects to open the context menu. From the available options, choose Use as Mask. The image will now be clipped inside the circular shape. Adjust the image position and size inside the mask according to your design needs so the composition looks balanced and visually appealing.